So what is up guys, welcome back to our channel. I will show you some updates of DD Tank 2 which I played last 7 or 8 months, and I tell you why I left or not played this game for about a month. So first I'll show you some weapon updates. So what's the reason why I didn't play this game since last time? I encounter some issues that make my account banned. So because of that, I didn't play the game since last 7 months. So now I created one because I just miss playing, and now I'll show you some updates of the game since then. So first thing is the weapon. There's a lot of newest weapon here. That's why other players are in a million power. Just like this C4 weapons that I've been through on this game is this, the torch, briefcase, hyperca, ice cream, like that, and other basic or the main weapons on this game. So after I got banned on this game and returning, a lot of things have been changed guys. So if you top up and play this game, you will receive permanent weapons like this, like that epic ice rod, and the hot dust. There's a lot of new weapon here guys. So new weapon here in server 1. So like this, if you top up 1000 coins, you will get energy stone level 5, and a lot of bonuses. If you top up around 5000, maybe you will get the epic ice rod, but right now there is not available on the reload task. And bracelet and rings like this, you can see that there's a lot of attributes that will give you, like this Trinity bracelet and the Aquata ring. Also the constellation blessing guys, it's different from the big shop, where is the guardianship of exquisite Ares that gives only 53% of life advance, while this gives you 84%. But this is not the highest necklace that you will get. When you top up around 50,000, you get this purple necklace that gives you 87% of life advance. Also, it gives you adds a lot of attributes and everything on your character like this. Also the ring, the 9th anniversary ring of the DD Tank. And this fragment Pandora magic sharp is a new weapon that will be added on this game. So yeah, let's see what will you get when you top up on this game right now. So this is normal XP stone. These stones will add an additional attribute on your character. You can put it on weapon, clothes, hats, bracelet, necklace, like that, and this one, the auxiliary item, you can put it here. So I'll show you it later, but first I'll show the newest thing here in the Tank 2. So as you can see, I have a lot of things that you can use to upgrade your weapons or make a lot of power, because on server 1 they give they just giving the previous things that is hard to get on the first months of the game. But right now you can see the rank 1 got 23 million pounds. Let's see character. See, it's the highest auxiliary you can get, the God of Life. It's like angelic arm, but It has attack, defense, agility, and luck, guys. And you can see this the 4 image stone. You got the level 4. See? You can put it here on the items uh, on these items, guys. You can play it, and there will be another server on server 4, and server 1 and server 2 has been merged. I don't know since when, but there's only 2 servers right now, server 1 and server 3. I do also have server 3 account. You know, it's hard to get some tasks done on that server because when you go to the game house, when you fight the pre-fight guys, server 1 and server 3 can fight here. So it's hard because server 1, when you're level 36, you got this kind of power like 3 million, but in server 3 you'll only get around 200 to 500,000 power. So the difference of the power of the server is too high. As well, I think that's also why other players leave and goes to server 1 because of that. Also the rewards that you can get in server 1 is good for you. That's why I created again on server 1, and also I have many known players here on server 1. That's why I created it. So now I'll show you gameplay. Right now, because how you can battle against level 50, because other level 50 got 2 to 5 million pounds. So when I go to battle arena, I just set my weapon to low power, like that, the epic ice rod. Sometimes I use my third weapon, this boomerang, just plus it. I'll show you why. First, I'll show you why. I'll use my main. This is also new weapon, guys, that have 300 arms. See, super fireworks. And if you know the enhanced stone, like the plus 13 on other DB tank names, it shows that these are enhanced 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Yeah, let's wait. Right now, battling to free fight is wait to. If you will battle like this, you on. Sometimes it's just a bot. How do you know it's a bot? You can see that. But if it's the server, they're just the power. You cannot see this, and also some VIP and they you will see know if it's a bot or playing other. So luckily we don't fight some big whalers or strong players here. Right now, if you visit the auction house, guys, if you remember, other weapons are too expensive, but right now you can buy it for around 500 or more or less. See? Like this. I go like that. Ice cream. Before it's like 40,000 coins when it's when ice cream is released. also other unique weapons. And boomerang that time it's like 50,000 coins. That's right. Now you can get it on VIP coin. Other weapons, guys, you can just get it on the event last time. This this item I get it on VIP coin, and also this item and shield, guys. Yeah, there's a higher percentage you can get that. That's why I don't keep the server one because of that. So now I'll show you the pet. The pet is the same also, but you can make your pet stronger fast because they just giving pet food on other uh, top up and tasks when you're starting on this server. This and they say the newest strongest weapon you can get is the Protoss Brilliantes or the all this the shiny green bud. I don't have enough coins to restore all the pet food and other things to go back this pet to level 1 so I can put the stats here. But it's okay, it's a pet and I need that to right now. Join here, you can get this only 200 society fights, but you can buy that thing on auction around 100 to 200 coins. Before my character, when I was in this same level, I think I only have like 300 pound, 300k pound. And when I come back in this game, such a different thing right now. I forgot to show you the practice system. You see, I maxed out this practice because I I'm not level 41 yet. That's why. And the album, see, I got the silver. Going back, guys, I'll show you the album. Nalilitang totem. Like this, I got level 22. But before, I'm only like level 12 on my totem, on my main account before. Because it's hard to get the totem amulet. But right now, you can get it when you top up, guys. And the harm. Some harm is just given by you of your league mates because it's just useless right now because the attributes they use is not harm, it's damage. See, it's new on the game. That's why harm is not harm right now is you can just give it to the other player that just starting playing. And also when you top up in your first top up on this game, you will get some good rewards also. And the closet, before it's only just 7 closets, but right now you see it's a lot. So that's the update on this game. If you want other questions, guys, just comment it on the comment section and I'll try to answer it on our next video. Guys, I forgot to show you the farm. You see, I got God Harvest before you can get this. You can only get this when you like buy it or top up. But right now you can get the task. That's all I can show you, guys. I hope you enjoy watching. If you have any question, just comment it on the comment section. Thank you.